Over the years, every year I write a president's report. In these reports, I usually both tell what are my dreams and what we did. So I want to see what happened over the years and what actually came to being and what we still need to do. It is my deepest honor and pleasure to present this year's report as we mark 100 years since the laying of our university's cornerstones. It's 2018, right? We have made the internationalization of the university a central priority on every institutional level. This is something that we actually did. We managed to do it over the years. Our partnership with industry goes from strength to strength with an upcoming tender for our high-tech park adjacent to the Edmond Safra campus. This is actually really nice. When this was written, the place where we wanted to establish the innovation park that we are talking here about was just bare land. Now you will see a huge structure that is already built. It's actually just about fully occupied. Despite the challenges, the coronavirus, do you remember that? Coronavirus? Despite the challenges the coronavirus has posed to our daily lives, I am encouraged by our researchers working hard to find a cure, by our students persevering through a challenging semester. Actually, I'm really proud of the way we handled the situation, such a global crisis. And yet, during that period of time, we graduated the same percentage of students as in all previous years. Off we go to 2023. Years go by, huh? Our students are the backbone of our institution. One of our central goals is to recruit more students from underrepresented groups. I'm quite proud of our diversity. We are bringing now students from what we call first-generation families, meaning students that are the first from their families to have an undergraduate degree. We are an elite university that is trying to be at the front end of science and teaching, but we don't want to leave anyone behind. We want to make sure that we are fully represented. The school year was postponed multiple times due to the war, and the semester finally began on December 31st. The first day of classes was difficult on various fronts. Many students were still enlisted. We still, even today, have some students that are enlisted, or had just returned from serving reserve duty. And Carmel Gat, a Hebrew University student, was still captive. This is really a tragic story. Carmel Gat was murdered in captivity, and she's no longer with us. It's still difficult for me. With your help, we successfully ran the We Are One campaign. Your support is directly helping those affected by the war and its aftermath. Speaking of the future, I'm still optimistic. I think I know we will prevail. I'm sure we will prevail. And of course, we cannot do that without your help. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for being part of our family. What is really, I think, a thought that I have with me is how honored and privileged I am to be the president of such a great institution. It is very important for me to remind everyone that it's not the president that does the work. It's a team that includes the many people at both the academic and the administrative faculty that helped with me together. It's really a privilege. Well, as it turned out, this year, the title of my report is Reflections of an Optimist. It's a genuine title. Challenging times, but it's still reflections of an optimist.